Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I have some really exciting stuff. We're gonna be unboxing a box from the company Glam Seamless. If you don't know Glam Seamless, they are a hair extension company and they don't only make hair extensions, they make hair products and they also make hair tools. So we're gonna be unboxing this ginormous box and yeah, without any further ado, let's get right into it and see what we got. I was not joking when I said this box was ginormous. Okay, let's be smart and put her on the ground. So I'm just gonna rip her open and then start bringing out stuff. Yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the first thing I see. The first thing I see is this Glam leave-in spray. Please don't look at my nails. My nails are a disaster. I'm a hairdresser, so they're stained and they're really outgrown. Don't judge me. But yes, this is the Color Safe Moisturizing Leave-In Spray for hair extensions. Super excited to use this. All right, next. So the next two items are the Glam Seamless Shampoo and Glam Seamless Conditioner. On here it says that it gently cleanses to help maintain and instantly detangle extensions, and it's also color safe. I'm super excited. I'm gonna go ahead and smell this because I have a thing with, oh my god, that smells really good actually. And let's smell the conditioner just cause. Same scent. I love it. I cannot wait to wash my halo extensions with these and then use the leave-in spray. Next up, we have the Glam Seamless Glam & Go Blowout Brush. I love this packaging so much. Oh my god, how awesome! So let me show you guys. It's basically just like the Revlon brush. I mentioned the Revlon brush because like everybody and their mother knows about the Revlon brush. But this has settings, it's the blow dryer brush, and then it comes with a little clip. I love this. I cannot wait to do a review on this. Next up, I'm so excited. So we have the Glam Seamless Invisi Clips. This is a 7 weft clip-in set. I'm really excited about this because I haven't had a nice set of clips in a while. I've been using my halo and my halo only. So excited to try these and make an entire video just on these guys. So if you want to see that, go ahead and subscribe and then stay tuned for that because it's coming. And then last but not least, we have the Glam Seamless 2-in-1 Styling Iron. This packaging is so cute. I love the marble and the pink and I'm so excited to use this. So it's a flat iron that you can use to curl your hair too. So I'm gonna be doing a review on this bad boy too. So stay tuned for that. Go ahead and subscribe and those videos are coming very soon. Quick little recap of everything that we got. The Glam Seamless Leave-In Spray for extensions. We got the Glam Seamless Shampoo for extensions. The conditioner. Then we have the blowout brush, clip-in extensions, in my color, by the way, which is auburn. It's their auburn shade. And then last but not least, we have the 2-in-1 styling iron. I'm gonna be making videos on all of the items that you guys just saw. Huge shout out to Glam Seamless. Thank you guys again for the amazing package. I cannot wait to start making these videos. So like I said, don't forget to subscribe. Leave a like down below if you like this unboxing video. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.